is really great. This is kind of a side note, but it's still staggering to me. Like, this has already come up this year. People still don't realize that voice to text is widely available for free to everyone. All you need is a Google email account, like that's free to make a Gmail account, and then you use the Google Drive. In Google Drive, one of the apps is the Google Docs. Google Docs has free voice to text. This is something that I commonly, very often recommend for my students, and oftentimes parents will be like, where do we get this? Or like, oh, that'd be great if we could use it at home. And it's like, you can do, it's in Google Docs, everyone has it, it's free now, it's great.
Yeah.
Thanks, Google.
The voice to text, I remember back in my college days.
Dragon Naturally Speaking days.
Yeah, the Dragon.
My language today is.
The Dragon software, that was $200 software. Now it's built into Windows.
You don't have to teach it your specific voice anymore now either.
Yeah, it's built into Windows, it's built into Mac, it's built into your phones, it's built into a lot of softwares, including Google Docs. I actually have not seen the newest Word docs from Microsoft, but I imagine that it also might be built into there already too.
I would hope so, but it might not be. I would hope so, because it's a universal design thing that's pretty easy. It increases the accessibility significantly for a lot of people. That's a big.
So if you have questions on how to activate it, most of the time a quick Google search will teach you how to activate it on Windows, activate it on Mac, or activate it on your phone.
Touching on icons for a second, that the icon for the microphone is like that oval, like an old school microphone, which is kind of funny. And it looks nothing like this kind of microphone, certainly not.
It's like this, but standing
well, it's
up.
like the oval older
Yeah, they still have, I think the Yeti very much has that design, the Yeti microphones.
I don't know Yeti. But at any rate, that's besides the point. My favorite is the floppy disk picture being the save icon still, and perhaps forevermore.
Yeah.
Which we get. I mean, I remember that was what we were using when I was young, but I think a lot of younger kids, the newer generations that are born now and forevermore, the floppy disk picture will be one of those hieroglyphics that they're just not really sure what it's supposed to be.
They just know it's a save icon.
Yeah, I guess once they learn it.